In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the CostMiner cost estimation calculator. Whether you're new to this tool or just looking to refine your skills, I'll guide you through the process in a detailed and easy to follow manner. First, let's begin by navigating to the CostMiner platform. Simply open your preferred web browser and head over to the CostMiner, construction estimating and takeoff software. Once you arrive at the website, you will see the option to log in. Go ahead and click on the Log In to CostMiner button. Enter your credentials and sign in to access the platform's features. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the main dashboard. From here, it's time to select your project. Look for the project you're currently working on and click to open it. This step will take you into the details of your project where all the magic happens. After selecting your project, you'll need to bring your blueprint into view. Click on the plan that you want to display. This is essential because, in the next steps, we'll be focusing on specific elements within that plan. For instance, let's say we're looking to measure the dimensions of a bedroom wall for a painting task. To accurately measure, first select the Length Tracer tool, which allows you to outline the wall's dimensions directly on the blueprint. Start tracing from one endpoint of the wall and move towards the other end. Make your tracing as accurate as possible to ensure precise measurements. Once you've traced the length, make sure to click on the endpoint. Press the Enter key to add this measurement to your tracking system. You'll notice that the recorded measurement appears in the bottom section of your screen, providing a clear view of the data you're working with. Now let's take it a step further. Say you also need to deduct the length of a window that's part of this wall. Use the length tracer again, but this time outline the window. After tracing, click the endpoint of the window's length, just as you did with the wall. Incorporating this subtraction into your total wall length requires a small but crucial action. Look for the plus-minus column in your measurements. Click on it and change the selection to the minus sign. By doing this, the system automatically recalculates, subtracting the window length from the overall wall measurement. This key feature ensures your cost estimation remains precise and reliable. This process might seem detailed at first, but with practice, these steps will become second nature. Remember, accuracy in these early stages is critical for producing accurate cost estimations. With these steps, you now have the foundational understanding needed to effectively use the CostMiner cost estimation calculator for your projects. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find this tool as valuable as many others in the construction